if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares.
To access this toolbox, simply type fuzzy on the command line.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares.
In this part, write the inference rules.
Lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing.
We will not save the file because it is only for explanation. As for the file that we will use, we prepared it before so that the video will not be long.
Always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid.
We open the file that we prepared before.
Lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel dilute.
We have 2 inputs and only 1 output.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want.
Selected inference method.
I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get.
Several questions to ask now for the choice, placement and type of membership functions. For the choice of the shape of membership functions, indeed, there are no reliable and precise rules. But in order to facilitate the adjustment of fuzzy controllers, it is recommended to use triangular and trapezoidal shapes. For the placement of membership functions, it is recommended to place them so that at any time only 2 membership functions are activated for each input. This solution has the advantage of considerably reducing the computation time and therefore makes the designed fuzzy controller suitable for real-time implementation. We know very well that the greater the number of linguistic variables, the greater the sensitivity of the fuzzy controller. But do not forget that this choice can increase the difficulty of tuning and even increase the computation time on digital processing tools such as the microcontroller. In addition, from our experience and the results published in the literature, it has been observed that using more than 7 linguistic variables generally does not improve the performance of the system that we want to control.
Sick of being